Come on then. Come on then. Yeah. Come on. Come on then. Look, you look like a seal now. You're supposed to be a cat. Seals are mammals, but they're not land mammals, okay? They're water mammals, alright? Can you remember that? Come round here. Come here. Right, paws. Give me your paw. No, that's not your paws, is it? Give me your paws. Give me your paws. Go on then, lie down then, it's easier. Lie down on the floor. Right, give me that paw. Give me that paw. Yeah. All right then. Okay, you all right now? Okay now? Okay. Come on now, I've got important human stuff to do, alright? I'm playing guitar and drinking wine, alright? Go and see Alex, he'll dry you. Alright then, we'll climb up me, that's the same.